5G connections are great, but sometimes switching your phone to 4G can improve battery life and give you a more stable connection. I'm going to show you how to switch between 5G and 4G on two Android platforms, Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy. Let's look at the Pixel phone first. We'll go to Settings, and from there, we're going to tap Network and Internet. Then we'll go to SIMs and choose the SIM that's currently being used. In this view here, I can scroll down a bit and there's a section called Preferred Network Type. This allows me to change the preferred network, and I can choose between 5G, LTE, which is basically 4G, and there's even a 3G and 2G options here. If you don't see these options, it's usually because your carrier, some of them want your phone to stay on 5G as much as possible, so they disable the option to change this setting. If that's the case, you can check out an app like Force LTE, which can sometimes bypass the carrier settings and force your phone to a different network. If you're using a Samsung phone, the steps are very similar. We'll go to Settings and then Connections. From there, we'll choose Mobile Networks, and there you'll see an option for the network mode. Choose between 5G, LTE, or 3G. And that's how you switch between 4G and 5G networks. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick Android guides like this.